Let's bake some bread. Into a bowl, I have two cups. This one is for water, or either for water and for scooping unga. Put 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix until everything is mixed up. Cover with a clean towel, let it rest for at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, it should look like this. Add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. That is what I use. Ajab. Mix, knead.
Hi.
Hi. After kneading, I let the dough rest for at least 1 hour. The longer, the better. By the way, this is a recipe I just got from YouTube and it worked so much better compared to other recipes, so I use it every day. Cover with a cling film and with a towel. Let it rest for at least an hour, and as I said, the longer the better. 2 hours later. Re-knead your dough. Oil your loaf pan. Butter is the best. I don't have butter right now, so I'll use cooking oil. It will help. Then put in your dough. You can shape it like this. Again, let it rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After 30 minutes, I bake it at 150 degrees for 40 minutes. And I use my halogen oven, and these are the results. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.
Mouse.